I've always struggled with unruly edges, but with AIRFRO Run I finally feel like I've got this under control. It's in this recyclable push stick tube and I really love this feature. This balm is non-waxy and highly conditioning. My edges are well looked after. It's not ripping them out from the roots. I feel like I'm really getting the most out of this product and it really helps my nape too. I just get my non-snag hairband and tie my hair back. I put some more balm on just to seal it down and into place. I grab my edge paper and a satin or silk scarf to wrap around the top just to really keep the heat in and keep the edges laid flat. Then later I'll change into my outfit, take all of the above off and I'm ready for my workout. I really find that this is a sweat-proof balm and it keeps everything in place. This non-greasy formula keeps my hair nourished. This is a yes from me.